What was your best subject in school? Math. Okay. How about you? Math. Oh, you like math. I don't like math. Okay, how about you? What was your best subject in school? Math. Oh, you all like math. How about you? Literature. Yeah, I like literature. It's poem and stories. Okay, I like literature. It's part in English. Okay, so my answer is my best subject in school is English, where literature is there. Okay, English is literature is part of English subject. Okay, so we have here subject math. Okay, 1, 2, 3 like math. I don't like yeah, I don't like math. I hate numbers. And so what's in the math? Subtraction. What else? If you like math, you know it. Subtraction, division, multiplication, and addition. Okay? We have here. You have marker here. Teacher, do you have marker? Favorite marker. Okay, in math we have here, right? What is it? Plus or addition. How about this one? How about this one? Minus. We call it minus or subtraction. Okay, how about this one? Times or multiplication. How about this one? You like math, so you know this one. How do you call this one? Okay, you can say it in your own language. How do you call this one in your own language? It's division. Again, great job. Division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All of this is part of math. Okay? So we have math. Next is science. Science. Do you like science? I don't like, I like science, but sometimes only. Okay? In science, there are also math. Yeah. You still, in science, there are also math. Okay? There's some computing, but in science, mostly it's, how do you call this one? Experiment. Yeah, I like experiment. The part of science I like the most is experiment. Like combining the chemicals, and just like we're doing like explosion, like that. I like that in science. Okay. Next is history. It's about the past. Okay, the past of the place. History. Okay, change over time. Okay, change over time. It talks about the past. The past of a person, the past of a place, the past every, but it talks about the past. Okay, that is what history talks about the past. Okay, past over time. Okay, next is physical education. I like physical education. It's a psychomotor education. It means like it's physical education is sports belong there. Physical education. There's a sports like what sports do you know? Sports. Name many sports. Volleyball, badminton, what else? Football, okay. Any kind of sports belong here in physical education and also the dance. Dance belong in the physical education. And how about geography? Geography. Do you have any idea what geography is? Geography.
Cái chữ đó nó bằng lý pháp á.
Geography is the study of land and the people,
Động từ nó là rapidly.
how
Rapidly.
it connects to the person who lives in there. So it's study about the world.
Có mấy cái chữ kèm ngữ ta.
It's the world.
Rồi mathematically.
Study about the globe. Study about the land and the person who lives in there. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Next is arts. What's are in arts? What's in the arts? Arts, you can do painting, painting and drawing. That is what arts is. Okay? Arts, okay. And musics. Who like music here? Musics. Who like music here? You don't like music? Why? You don't sing. But we can love music even though if you don't sing. I like music even if I don't have a good voice. I still love music. Okay? Music can keep my heart calm. Okay? I love music. Okay, so how about you? Do you like music? Yes, because you love dancing, so you love music. Okay, how about you? Do you like music? Okay, if you're going to choose arts or music, arts or music. In music, you will learn the note of the song. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yeah. And you also know how to play music instruments like piano, guitar, violin, what else? Flute or trumpet, and drum. Yeah, I like playing drum, but I don't know how to use it. I just like dang. Okay, next question is, which subject did you find the most difficult at your school? Mine is math. I hate. How about you? Which subject did you find the most difficult? Difficult means hard to understand. You don't like it like that. Which subject did you find the most difficult at school? Which subject? Okay, you can choose here. Subject that you don't like, subject that for you it's hard for you to learn. Okay, what subject? Which subject did you find the most difficult at school? Which subject? Oh, English. English is your most difficult. Yeah. It's a good answer because you're learning English right now, but it's kind of hard for you to learn about that. Yeah. Yeah, me too. It's not easy for me to learn English. Sometimes I feel so difficult about it because we have a lot of things to learn about English, like grammar, like verb, like noun, like adverb, like adjective, like past sentence, past adverb, like that, and so many things to learn about English, right? I like it, but not really that much. The best subject I really like is physical education, arts, and music. That is what I like. Physical, but English is, yeah, I like it, but just a little bit. Okay, how about you?
Rồi, câu cuối cùng.
I mean, you. Wait. Just think of it, okay? How about you? Which subject did you find the most difficult? English. Okay, why? Why English?
Nghệ nhân thì văn
Oh, sorry.
Cẩn thận.
cẩn thận
Is it hard for you to construct sentence, right?
Sử dụng.
Especially
công nghệ
you have this difficult time
Kỹ thuật.
in constructing the sentence, or how are we going to speak English in a correct grammar, right?
Real là sẽ
But
tạo ra
if you can learn,
độc
if you know how to speak basic English,
một cái
then
tác
you
phẩm
can
nghệ thuật độc đáo.
communicate to foreign people like us. If you know how to speak basic English, you can communicate to foreign people. It's not hard for you
Rồi,
to
bài
communicate
số 5.
foreign
Bài số 5
people
còn có chữ
because
nào
you
nhớ
know
gì không?
how to speak only basic English. Just basic English like, hello, how are you today? What is your name? How old are you? That was the basic English.
Anh
You
có quên chữ
can
nào?
communicate with foreign.
mấy cái này thôi
Okay. So how about you?
Nguy cơ là bảo
Which
tồn.
subject did you find the most difficult at school? Arts. Wait, let me turn off Arts. Why? You hate drawing? You hate painting because? Again? Have you been painting in five? So again, which subject did you find most difficult? So it's hard for you to paint in pad, but you can paint in the paper or in the board, like board. Difficult, hard for you to learn. What subject? Arts. Okay, how about you? Math. Already saying up here. Okay. Which subject did you find the most difficult at school? My answer also is math. Okay. The most difficult subject for me at school is math. Because just like what I have said earlier, I hate numbers. I hate addition, subtraction. I only know 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's all. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That was just I know about math. Okay. Next is, what do most students in your country do after school? When the class is done, what do you usually do? Here in Vietnam, what do you usually do after your class? Okay. Please, what do most students in your country do after school? I go to home. Yeah, it's possible. After here, we will go back to our home. Okay, how about you? Let me see. So your answer is talk about this. This answer is for 6 questions. Do you think your school is a good place to study? You can answer this on number 6. But okay, can you answer this? What do most students in your country do after school? This means that it means that after the class, what do you usually do? After your class, what do you usually do? I mean, what do you usually do after your class? When we finish this class, what do you usually do? Go home, right? We go home and we sleep because it's evening. Okay, how about you? What do most students in your country do after school? Okay, go home and okay, how about you?
Rồi vậy là gì sửa gì cũng không. Này có cái một, không có một mình địa chỉ nè. Lấy rồi đúng rồi.
After school, go home after school. Okay, we usually do that. But in our country, before we go home, in our country, what students often do after school is cleaning. Someone is cleaning outside and inside the room. Okay. In the Philippines, before we go home, we need to clean up our room before we go home. Inside and outside the room in the Philippines. Okay, before we go home, we need to clean up our room inside and outside. Okay, so we have different. Do you think your school is a good place to study? Why? Do you think your school is a good place to study? Why?
Để mà bảo tồn cái truyền thống âm nhạc và các điệu múa nhân dân.
It talks about positive side of your school. Positive side of your school. Okay, and please answer. Do you think your school is a good place to study? Why? No. Okay, let's see. He said negative. Okay, why?
Như là format địa phương và các loại gia vị độc đáo. Rồi,
Còn nhiều cái điểm này không?
cái gì cái kiểu
Còn nhiều cái điểm chưa có?
straw bát,
Hả?
straw bát,
Cái gì chứ?
straw bát,
Cho cái
straw bát.
công việc ở cái này.
Nhưng mà cái gì yếu liệt của cái gì?
Cảm xúc của giáo viên.
Cảm xúc
Đúng rồi.
là gì nữa?
Hết rồi. Tại vì giáo viên đọc.
Okay, you can answer your answer in number 5. You can answer that on number 6.
Yếu điểm thì không có dùng qua bát được rồi.
Ý là có nhiều điểm chưa tốt á.
I read it wrong. Number 5, here's your answer. After a class, students often go to the cafeteria or the schoolyard to play. Okay, great answer. Okay, she said here, what do most students in your country do after school? Her answer is, after a class, students often go to the cafeteria or to the schoolyard to play brain.
nơi,
Okay, great job.
một cái nơi
Now,
gì quên
her answer in number
Yên
6.
tĩnh.
Do you think your school is a good place to study? Why?
ừ.
Is it
Yên
yes
bình,
or
hòa
no?
bình đồ này kia.
Yes.
Thanh
Yes,
bình,
I think
thanh
the
bình cho
school
nó
is good to.
bên ngoài
I
thành
think
phố bận
school
rộn.
is a good place to study because
Rồi câu số
it
5.
meets all requirements and standards. Okay, she talks about the requirements and the standards of the school. So
Ngôi
that's
làng
why
lịch
that
sử
she
này,
thinks that
cái địa điểm
her
thu hút
school
khách
is
du
a
lịch
good
nổi
place to
tiếng ở Hà
study.
Nội.
How
Nhờ
about
vào
you?
cái chia sẻ văn hóa phong phú.
Văn thư này là làm
Đúng không? Chưa biết đó người giàu có, còn nếu mà di sản thì di sản phong phú.
Yes, why? Why do you think that your school is a good place to
Rồi câu số
study?
8.
cái khá là community cộng đồng.
Đúng rồi. Trong suốt cái thời
Is
điểm
it
khó
because
khăn,
of the teacher,
những cái
the
người thầy giáo trong
environment,
cộng đồng đã cùng nhau
or the rules?
cùng nhau vượt qua, cùng nhau hỗ trợ những cái người mà gặp khó khăn.
Is it because how they handle the
Rồi câu số
children?
7.
Hay quá.
Hay là cái cửa hàng thủ công mỹ nghệ cung cấp cho khách du lịch những cái món quà lưu niệm đẹp mắt
Okay,
như là
you're
đồ
right.
sức và các tác phẩm điêu khắc cho các nghệ nhân địa phương làm.
Okay, I'll read out to you. Okay, please. You can write your answer, and I'm going to ask you later. Okay, do you think your school is a good place to study? Why?
Hãy tìm cách rút ngắn cái quá trình làm đầu suy nghĩ.
Something not about teacher teaching style. Các bạn
Teaching styles. Okay, so but not all the time. Not all the time. I mean, not all the teachers. Some
Tạo
teachers
hình đắt đắt trên cái
have a
bàn,
nice strategy. Some
trên cái
teachers
bàn
is
xoay
just
để
quite a
tạo
little bit
ra một cái bình đẹp.
good. Okay, her answer is no
Rồi, câu cuối
because
cùng.
of the teaching style of the
Gia
teacher
đình đã sử
So
dụng
that's why
cái mấy cái
she
kỹ thuật
think
ban
that
đầu,
school
cái bài bản á,
is not
truyền cho
good
thế
place
hệ
to
này
study.
sang thế hệ khác để tạo ra cái tác phẩm thật đáng.
Okay.
Rồi, exercise
That
8
is
thì
your
ôn
answer,
lại
so it's up to you.
những
How
quá
about
trình
you?
cộng với
Do
keyword.
you think your school is a good place to study?
Question word cộng với keyword.
Why? Okay, I'm going to remind you. If the question is you need to answer yes or no, there will be the follow-up questions why. So you need to answer yes, then why. So you start to answer why in because. Okay. First question is yes. You answer it yes or no. The follow-up question is why. So you tell why yes, why no. Okay. So why yes? It's convenient. Okay. He thinks that his school is good place to study because it's convenient. Okay. So let's go back to you. Do you think your school is a good place to study? Why? Is good. Okay, so you think your school is good place to study because your teacher is good. Okay, you have opposite answer. You don't like your school. You don't think your school is a good place to study because you don't like some of the teachers' teaching style. And her answer is she thinks that her school is a good place to study because some of the teachers is good. Okay, so you have different answer. Okay, my answer here is Yes, because I believe my school is a good place to study because all the classrooms are well equipped with modern technology, like this modern technology. Like this modern technologies. This one, modern technology, which helps students to have a better learning experience. So, using modern technology can help students better learning experience, right? And the environment at my school is very motivating and inclusive of learning. So, is it positive or negative? My answer, is it positive or negative? Positive, because as I said it here that my school are well equipped with modern technology which helps students to have a better learning experience. And the environment at my school is very motivating and inclusive. Okay, so do you already have you already answered that question in your notebook? All the questions? Yes? May I see your notebook? I see your notebook. How about you? Where's your notebook?